Hey everybody, this is Keith Meals with On Time Construction Consulting. So we're here at one of our projects we just finished up. This is our Chuluota project we're doing a garage renovation on. So this was their garage before, so they went ahead and changed it into an office. So that's what they went ahead and changed it into. They went ahead and put LVP floors down throughout. So we put in the new doors and side lights, so we let lots of light into this space, which is great. So we created an entry from their foyer, which is what's on the other side of that door, so into this space, but it is lockable, so that they can go ahead and lock it out. That way they can use this as, if they want to at some point in the future, as a rental. So a big old storage closet over here. This is our bathroom that we went ahead and added. So vanity in here, 36-inch vanity. So they went with a hanging pendant light. So in the mirror, because they wanted to keep the window that was here already, so in place, they wanted to do that. So there's our toilet. Oh, and there's our tile. So big old soap niche, shampoo niche. So in there, so along with a great accent tile. So both front and sides. So it looks awesome.